What's going on, guys? I got a brand new racing setup right here, and what I want to do is I'm going to go ahead and assemble it. I'll let you guys see how easy it is, and then I want to set up my Logitech True Force driving wheels with the shift stick and the pedal and everything, and I'm going to let you guys see how Gran Turismo looks on here, on the PS5, obviously. So anyway, let's go ahead and get right into it. All right, so before I actually unfold this thing, I want to show you guys like how small it is. So this is how small it is right here. After everything's folded down, there's some, the seat obviously serves as a cushion, and you just fold everything out. So I'm going to do that. Just know that there is also an external, this is where you mount your steering wheel and everything. That goes along with that. And yeah, it can be folded in this way if you don't need to use it. You do have to unscrew one screw over here though. That's what, based on the instruction booklet that I saw. But yeah, it folds down this flat right here. So if you guys are thinking about, you can put this thing up and then take it down, this is pretty much it right here. You do have to like unlock this piece right here to unfold the seat up. So let's see here. So yeah, unlock, then you fold the seat out this way, and then everything just kind of fall out like that. Yeah? Okay, let's put this thing together. Okay, so literally this is it right here. I just unfold it, I screw two things in, and I think that is it. Didn't have to do any, I thought there was a screw bag. There was a screw bag, yes. Yeah, there's a screw bag right here. Oh, okay, all these screws are actually for the racing wheel itself. And so if you need to use it, but I already have screws for the racing wheel, so I really don't use this. And then there's some rope tie and things like that you can tidy up your all your cords for the PlayStation. But other than that, guys, that's it right there. I just got to install the racing wheels now. Okay, guys, so before I plug this thing into the PlayStation, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the racing wheel installation first, and just tell you some of the things that you might want to avoid. And yeah, anyway, joystick, right? If you have one of these, if you bought this thing extras, then just know that there's going to be two screws right over here for you to install. Okay, so none of these holes up here are useful, only those down there. Now the thing here is this right here with the joystick, the shifter, I guess I should say, you can actually move this entire plate. See these two screws? You can actually move that to over here on this side. So if you're one of those that shift on the left-hand side, if you're in the UK or Japan and stuff like that, yeah, you can move that if you want to. Now comes this plate that installed the steering wheel. The installation point is actually all the way right here. See those? So yeah, it's pretty close to where this knob is. That's where the installation points are. These things actually don't do anything on this racing chair at all. So this is what it looks like. Obviously, I'm going to have to do some adjustment based on my height when I'm sitting here. But all you do is just twist this knob right here, and this will go up and down. So now the pedal. Let me see. So the pedal is pretty interesting. You can You can have it shift forward if you want to. You see that? Or you can untighten these and move it back and forth depending on how long your legs are. So that's a very good thing. Obviously, you can move it left and right depending on your position of your leg, that kind of stuff. Okay. All right. And so see how this is really curved in right here? You know, it's a racing chair, right? You can actually grab that and then you can move it up and down. Now I have to do this one too. But yeah, you can actually move it up and down if you want. But other than that, pretty sturdy, nice and comfy. This material is like a velvet material, I think. You probably don't need this strap right here. Anyway, so yeah, now that I've shown you guys everything, I'm going to go ahead and move it over to the screen over here so that I can actually race and look at the screen at the same time. Okay? Last but not least, I want to show you guys one cool thing about this chair right here that I haven't seen with any other chair, is that if you are, if the chair is like this, right, and you want to get into it, you can actually pull this and opens it up, and it actually will stay that way. There's a locking mechanism over there where it will stay this way, and you can actually get in now. Ignore my wire, but you can actually get in now and sit. And then pull this down. There you go. Yeah, I definitely need to do some wire management. But this is what my view is right here. The steering wheel is pretty tall. But obviously, like I said earlier, I can lower the steering wheel if I want to. But this feels good right here. Yep. So anyway, if you want to lock it in, because, you know, rough driving and all, you can actually turn this thing right here and it'll stay